Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on the Tropentag blog. Today we are going to have a look on the Tropentag blog, roles on the Tropentag blog, categories and keywords, catching the reader's interest with a few example paragraphs, writing rules, what to keep in mind when writing and editing, when publishing, dealing with mistakes and comments, creating an example article at the end. The Tropentag blog, for visitors, this is the URL, and for logging in, this is the corresponding URL. There are different roles for each user on the Tropentag blog. There's the administrator, so somebody who has access to all the administration features within a single site. There are editors, somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users. Authors, as somebody who can publish and manage their own posts. Contributors are somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. And subscribers, so somebody who can only manage their own profile. And for the student reporters, most of them will be assigned the role of author, and there will be one editor chosen who has an overview of all the articles and can correct them before the final publication. The Tropentag blog is divided into categories and keywords. So categories are for broad categorization in capitalized letters. So for example, Tropentag 2024, about, keynotes, people, poster, speeches. And the keywords are for thematic links. For example, biodiversity, sustainability, food security. Catching the reader's interest. So a nice picture catches the reader's interest. A good headline is key to getting people's attention. The excerpt increases the reader's appetite for more of the story. Tagging and keywords are great for giving context, visibility, and for search engine optimization. Keep in mind when writing and editing. So make use of the possibilities of the blog platform. So use links, pictures, and videos to create context for your blog articles. Provide further reading on speakers or their topics, if possible. For example, you can include a link to a recent publication. Use links to give background about any technical terms that may be unfamiliar to the average reader. What you have to keep in mind when publishing: use pictures and paragraphs to structure your article and keep it interesting and varied. Don't use too many or too few pictures, so usually 2 or 3 pictures is ideal to break up the pace of the text and provide a few interesting visual aspects. Use the same aspect ratio for every distinct type of picture, so 4:3 or 16:9, but be consistent. If you want to include a video, please embed it. Dealing with mistakes and comments. So you can use the possibilities of the blog to correct your mistakes. But don't just erase mistakes or rewrite the whole article. Edit the mistake transparently. So for example, an update given on a certain date, the name of person X was misspelled and this has been corrected. Another example, in an earlier version of this article, it was mistakenly written that blah 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 blah. This has been changed and correctly states now blah 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 blah. If you get comments, deal with them in a timely and polite fashion. And to create an example article, please go to the Tropentag login page and follow along with the corresponding tutorial. Thank you.